Hi guys, it's me Shai Shai. This is all my friends. She is our Nida. Like and subscribe if you do like them. And let's go to guys. Ito silang friends ko. Lagi siya na maaway sa akin. Ayun na. Si Kian yung palala niya. Siya ako kaaway. Ito, si babae. Tapos ito, si kuya. Ito, mabait siya. Hindi niya pinaaway. Let's go. Go. And we here. Like and subscribe and comment.